Guys, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistake people make that can actually cost you thousands of dollars for parts, tools, diagnostics that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair Guys. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find where fuses relays for the air body control module are located on Mercedes C-Class Generation W205. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them. Quick advice from us, do not waste your money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be simple fix. By the way guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we will share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out. So let's start on it now. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here in the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Electronics, engines, computers, transmissions. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the garage here is to save you as much money as we can guys. All we need in return, please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Check out our YouTube channels, we have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. The air body control module fuses and relays, guys, we'll show you where you can expect to find them. We will demonstrate on that Mercedes C-Class Generation W205. Quick advice guys, 9 out of 10 owners do not know about all the hidden fuse boxes in it. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes C-Class Generation W205 fuse box location and diagram. Check it out, video that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And what we guys need to do today, we need to open the trunk. The moment you open the trunk, lift the carpet liner up. Here on the back side in the right, on the passenger side, we have a flap, like a fabric flap. Lift it up, and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays. They look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays, and if you want to see how to do that guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. And guys, here what we need to check, if you have the air body control module function, you will have that fuse, otherwise you won't. Specifically our model didn't, but we will explain where you can expect to find it if you have it. And if you come in that row of fuses that ours is completely empty, the very first fuse on the top that you will see right here is known as fuse number 424. That will be your air body control module fuse guys, that you will need to check on your Mercedes C-Class Generation W205. Guys, quick advice. Now, that generation Mercedes, it has all kinds of different fuses and relays. I want to show you some of them. Those are super special ones as well, guys. And those pre-fuse boxes as well. Check it out. You will have a great variety of fuses, relays. So, by the way, if you guys want to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, we'll recommend to keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below so you can see where you can get them from, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.